Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have some project shares from the Greetery. I purchased this release. It's called the Jubilee release. I only grabbed some of the release. I missed out on the Yay and some of the other die sets. But I've been wanting to play with my stuff, guys, and I've been having so much fun playing with stuff from the Greetery that I wanted to go ahead and share with you all since I didn't do a video. I do have a couple of lives of some of these. This one in particular, I wanted to make a pop-up bow card. And so let me show you guys all the stuff that I've been using. Okay, so first of all, this is how it looks. It has this beautiful bow here. It's got the her flower set that I'll show you. I did embossing. I used this stamp and die set. And I used Scrap Diva Designs pop-up set. I have a code with Scrap Diva Designs. You can save 10% off. This is the slider set, and this is how I got it to, pop up like so. And it says, wishing you all the best. And I have a live on how I created this if you guys want to check it out. Let me show you guys what I used. So the slider set, and then I used this little cute stamp set. Oh my God, it's so adorable. I don't know what I did with the stamp. I got it somewhere over here. But it's called the Sweetest Corners. And there's a coordinating stamp set. I thought I had everything together, guys. Sorry. But it is the Sweetest Corners. And this is the die set. It comes with like 3 or 4 different bows. And these are the ones that we did on the live. Here it goes right here. Sweetest Corners. This is the stamp set. So you can do just the bows, or you can put the florals around the bows. Really cute. And I'll have links down below for all these items, you guys. And then I used this stamp set, the Best Bouquet. I can't believe that I was going to pass out on this. This is such an amazing stamp set. I highly suggest that you guys grab it. There's also a coordinating die set, and then there's another die set that will just cut out everything for you, not just the entire piece. And I'll show you what I mean. And within this set, I love that you get all these sentiments. So I use these sentiments on here, and we embossed it in gold. I'll link the video for you guys so you can check it out. It's a pretty long live because I had the idea in my head, but I wasn't sure on how to execute it. And so it took me some time, but we did stamping on that live, and it came together nicely. So just fast forward through it and you'll see how we created this card. And I love the way that it came out. Okay, so next I have another video alive sharing this. I made this card for my daughter. She just graduated, and it says, the best gift of all is you. Isn't that so cute? And so in this die set, I'm not using the stamp set, but I'm actually using the Best Bouquet Details. And it cuts out all the pieces. And I don't know if I did a live, guys, and we put these together. I think that we did color. I think I did a live color in it. I have a playlist. I'll have it listed down below for the Greetery, so you can check out all these videos. They'll all be linked within that playlist. Okay, guys? And then this little trophy die set is this one here. This was a thank you to celebrate, but there actually is another trophy die set available in the shop that's a lot bigger. So I was so happy to receive this. I had to use it, and I thought it was a perfect graduation card. My daughter, she loves black, and she wanted purple, so this is what we came up with. And it is a shaped card. Okay. And then these are just some of the dies, that same die set. I did coloring, and I added some white gel pen for details. And I love the way it came out. We used the Ohuhu markers. I'm pretty sure I did a live on that, you guys. And then on my own, off camera, I've been stamping. So I've been using the stamp set, the Best Bouquet stamp set. And I just been following these steps, and I use my oxides, and I use the glitter gold gel pen. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Oh my God, so pretty. So they're like about the same. I just tried like different techniques, different shading on some of them. And then this one I did another color combination. So I love the way that these came out, you guys. You're gonna be seeing more of this because I cut out 4 of them and I need to use them. So I'm probably gonna make some more cards, or maybe like a little album. And then I also created this card here, and I'm thinking about putting some acetate or tulle on the window. I'm not sure, but this is And I couldn't wait to play with this, guys. I've been kind of holding off on playing with it because I've been so busy. But this is the Sweetest Frame, and this was sold out, you guys. It's restocked right now. She restocked a lot of stuff online, so make sure you guys go check it out. Again, I'm gonna have all these things listed. This is gonna make such a beautiful, unique card front. I love the scallop edges. And then it's a coordinating stamp set. Guys, you have to grab this. Look at the cute little bows. Look at the teeny tiny ones. And you gotta emboss with this in gold. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. So I just took the I used this second one on the biggest, so the inner one, and then I used this one on the smaller one to cut out a window. And I just used that technique that I use to create my cards. I just scored 1/4 of an inch. You cut out 2 and you score at 1/4 of an inch, and you get this cute little whatever shape you want. And I did some embossing on the negative here. I don't know if you guys can see the gold. It looks so pretty. And then this is one of the die cuts that I had previously colored. So I just stuck it in there, and I used the little tiny stamps. They're so cute, you guys. And I just put them in the corner, and I used some of the other stamps to create this adorable card. And then I had to make some of these, what do you call it? The bow bookmarks. So it's supposed to be a bookmark, guys, but you can put it like, look at how cute that looks on there. So cute. I love the way it came out, you guys. So I just went ahead and die cut some of these so you guys can see how they look. And you'll be seeing more of these. I'm having so much fun playing with this release from the Greetery. I don't know. I just wanted to share with you all. I love this, and I wanted to definitely come on and let you guys know that this one has been restocked. I was kind of procrastinating on playing with it because it was sold out, and I knew you guys were going to be upset, you know, that it wasn't available. So now that it's available, I'm like, okay, I played with it on my own, and I was just going to share it in another video, but I decided to come on now and let you guys know that it is restocked. Let me know if I should I feel like I should put some acetate behind here so it can look like, you know, really done up. And I still need to put a sentiment. So yeah, those are my cards that I created. I've been having a lot of fun making cards. But I do want to incorporate these die sets and create other things other than cards. So let me know down below what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a great day, whatever day it is that you're watching this. And I will catch you all in my next video. Let me know which one of these 3 cards is your favorite. It has to be this one for me. I love this. I love that die set. Guys, go grab it. If you cannot grab any of the release, grab this. You are not going to regret it. All right. Bye, guys.